Okay. Video. Let me see the status. Oh, oh, oh. Wait, twerk like Rihanna. Ready?
Do what?
Twerk like Rihanna.
No.
Come on. It's your thing. Baby, swim, baby, hug. Where are you going? You just passed our room. You're right under the... No, don't. No, don't. No, don't. No, don't. Rebel with no cause. Nothing but cause. Stop. 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 Oh my god. You're fucking idiot. Sorry, sorry. This way. You're such an idiot.
This is the hotel security. The fire alarm has been activated.
Oh my god.
And wait for further announcements. Thank you.
You fucking idiot. I hope we don't get kicked out for this. They have cameras.
That might be it.
I know we're all sticking our heads out. Ooh, party!
Hey! This is weird. I have no idea what's.
I guess it's done. That might be it.
I don't have to go outside. I'm not going.
Are we on the fire?
I think it's fine.
Might be it. Oh my god.
I know, right? It was so loud. Jesus. Yeah, let's just go. That's awful. Fuck. We got a party. I'm just throwing.
It's already done.
No, like.
You guys have the key.